Hey guys, so I am back and this is going to be some haul videos that I'm filming on different stuff that I have purchased myself, not sponsored. So yeah, I'm going to start off with doing some shoes first because I have been loving shoes a lot lately and I can't stop buying them. So I'm going to just start off with some really cute summer shoes that I have been picking up, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so first, so the first pairs of shoes that I have are these. I've already worn these. You've probably seen them on my Instagram. I wore these for my birthday when I went to Miami. I was gonna wear heels, but it was like a lot of walking on the strip, so I ended up actually wearing these while we were out and stuff. Like, we didn't go to a club, we just went to like lounges and like restaurants and stuff like that. So I wore these, super cute and glittery. They have like bling in them. And I had already purchased a pair that are kind of similar that I will show you in a minute that I was planning to bring on my trip, but they didn't come in time. And I really didn't buy them for the trip. They just were some shoes that I had ordered and they would have been perfect. So yeah, I picked these up. These are from a place called Trend Mall, but you can actually find these on GoJane. So I will leave a link down below where you can purchase them from, because the stores that I went to don't have websites, but I have seen these on GoJane because I was going to order them on there anyway. So these are the first pair. I got these in a size 7 and they fit perfect. My normal size is a 6.5 or 7. I also did get those in gold. Let me grab it. Oh, and also if you want to find them yourself, these are by Liliana. And they were $12.99. You probably can't see it, but these are the silver patent. I believe it's called Sophie. It's kind of covered up, so I can't really tell. Yeah, it's called Sophie, and these were $12.99, like I said, and the brand is Liliana. So you can kind of Google that if they don't have your size on GoJane, but I know for sure that they have them on there. So these are the next pair, and they're the same thing, but they're in the gold. The gold ones do have kind of like a champagne colored diamond in them. I would have preferred a clear stone, but this is how they came, and I just got gold because y'all know sometimes I switch it up. I'll do gold or silver, and these shoes are so easy to pair with just like anything. Like what I have on now, I could put the silver ones on or the gold ones and then do whatever color jewelry to match. Just really easy and simple. So I picked up both of these, $12.99. Like I said, on GoJane, you can find them there. And then I also had picked these up a while ago. These are Steven by Steve Madden. So they're not the Steve Madden brand, but they're the Steven brand, which I believe is supposed to be cheaper. I'm not really sure, but I found these at Burlington, and this is how they look. They're just a slide, and they kind of have that Hermes type of detail in the front, like how it kind of looks like an H with stones in them. So super cute. And I got these in a 7.5. I think they ran kind of small. They didn't have a lot. I got these on sale. They were only like $20, but I have seen these online. Like, you can just Google these and they're around like $40 and stuff, but you can probably find them cheaper. So I will try to leave a link down below if you dolls are interested in these. These next pair I just kind of found on a whim, and now I really love these because they're so comfortable and cute. So these are a pair of slides. I found these at Rainbow. These are a size 6, a European 37. The size 7 was a little big, so I'm not sure, but the brand name is Rouge. You can find these on Amazon because my mom wanted them so bad after she seen mine that we ordered hers from there, but they were a lot more expensive because these were on sale at Rainbow for $9. So check around at your Rainbows. You may be able to find them there, but I went to a few different Rainbows and I didn't really see a lot. So my mom just ordered them from Amazon because I was like, I can probably find you these for $9. Like, they didn't have her size at the one that I went to, but I was thinking like I can go and try to find them because she paid like $20-$30 and I paid $9, and it's the same damn shoes. So this is how they look. They just have multicolored crystals in them, and this top part is kind of like a smoky clear color. Super cute. These are great for just throwing on whenever you just want to be chill. I wouldn't wear this like with the outfit, like if I want to be dressed up, but in a way you can still kind of like be a little dressed up. Like, you can put this on with a cute dress or whatever, and you know, you can still be cute but comfortable at the same time. So I thought these were cute. Got these for $9 at Rainbow. They also had these at Trend Mall, the same place where I got the other stuff from. This is stores in Houston mostly. And yeah, they were more expensive there. They weren't on sale, so I think they were around like $20 or something, but hey, I got them for $9, so that's a steal. I really want those now in white with like the clear crystals, but they didn't have any white ones left. And then I looked online and I did find some that Jeffrey Campbell makes, and this is kind of like a like that AB holographic type of material, the plastic part, and then the stones are like that really pretty iridescent stone. So I was thinking about getting those, and then this part is white, but those are like $50. So knowing that I paid $9 for these, it's kind of like, do I want to pay $50? But it's Jeffrey Campbell, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably keep searching around to see if I can find the white ones, but I really want some white ones now, just throw on with stuff. So then I also picked up these, and they look like this. Once again, with that toe thing, I really love sandals that go like this, and these are like my first ones that I purchased that go around the toe. So this is how they look. These are from AliExpress. They were really inexpensive, probably like $10 or $12. I will link them down below for you dolls, but they don't have a name on the shoes at all or on the back, so I don't even know who makes these. These are a size 38 European size, so that's like a size 7, I believe. So yeah, this is how they look. Really cute. And the stone, it kind of has like a gold detailing on the side, but you know, I would still wear these with whatever, like with my silver jewelry, because you can't really tell. So really cute. I wore these yesterday actually. I also got them in another color, if I can find the bag. Here are the other pair, and these are the silver ones that I got. These were the ones that I was planning to bring on my trip, but they didn't come. So this is how they look. It just has the silver strap, and then of course the stone, and this part is gold again on it, but it's a silver shoe, so you know, of course you could wear your silver jewelry with it. They didn't come in gold. I would have got the gold as well, but this is how they look. Really cute. I love the big toe detailing. The only thing is that the strap on these is not very tight across my foot, so I feel like I'm kind of like clenching my foot whenever I'm going up and down stairs and stuff like that, just so that my shoe doesn't fly off. But these are size 38. Once again, super cute. And then I also picked these up as well. These you can also find on the Go Jane site, but I got them from a store called Justin's. And I think one pair I bought from Trim Mall, but it's like the same type of store. So this is the next pair. They do have the clear strap that goes across the foot, and then on the toe it actually has a little stone that looks like a flower on it. This is how this pair looks. Really cute, and I just got them in the black. And I also have these in the AB or holographic color. I don't know where they are right now. I need to go and find them so I can show you them, but I got these also in another color, so it'll probably be later in the video. Picked up a few other pairs from Trend Mall. I know that these are also on Go Jane, so you can find them there. So this is how they look. These are a pair of jellies, and I really just love the crystal. Y'all know I love bling and diamonds and stuff, so this is how they look. They're like a thong with the strap on the back, and then it has the really big stone at the top, so really cute. I think at this particular store they only had the silver, but I'm pretty sure I've seen these in gold as well on the Go Jane site. These are a size 37, which is a 38 European. I like that they put both sizes on the shoe because it really helps you decide what size you need, like if you're shopping online. But I was able to try them on, of course, because I picked them up in store. And yes, really cute. And y'all know I just love silver, so I picked those up. And then I also picked up this pair in gold, which was really cute. Oh wait, I didn't tell y'all the price. For this pair with the crystal flower on the top, I think they were around like $12 or $14. For this silver pair, I'm not sure how much they were. This is not the right receipt, so I don't know. It doesn't have it on the box, but they were probably around like $10 as well. Really inexpensive, cute for the summertime, and they actually do last very well, like a lot of these little cheap sandals. So don't be fooled, because I used to be one to think like if you get something that's more expensive, it's going to be better quality and it's going to last longer, so you may as well just splurge and get the higher end shoe or whatever. That's not necessarily true, because sometimes cheap ass shit can last for a long ass time. So yeah, because I used to be buying like all the Steve Madden sandals only. Like I wouldn't really try to go and get the cheaper version, but you can get more for your money and they last, and the quality is just as good. So these are the next ones that I picked up, and I just thought these were cute. I have some that are kind of similar to this, and it has a chain that goes around the ankle, but one of my stones fell out, so I was like, let me just pick up a new pair of those because I never wear them anymore because of the stone falling out. But these have a gold strap on them. These are really cute. These are by the brand Cupid. I also picked these up. I don't know why, because I really don't wear like regular thong sandals anymore. But I just thought they were so cute and blinged out, so I had to pick them up. And then it has like AD crystals in them, so I just thought these were super cute to slip on like with a dress, or you know, just really simple if I'm going to get my nails done, or you know, whatever, like kind of dressed down, but just something to throw on. Now these shoes I did get in a size 8. I don't know why, but most thong slippers that are made like this, that don't have like a back to them or just like a typical thong style shape, I always have to go up to a bigger size, and I tried these on in the 7 and they were really short. And also when I put the 8 on, it's also looking kind of snug, so definitely go up on your size if you get these. Maybe it's the brand, I don't know, but these are by Kaylin Los Angeles, and like I said, I have an 8 in these, and my normal size is a 6.5, 7. So yeah, and I don't know, they don't look very big, so I don't know, maybe they're just cut really short, but I just thought they were cute with the stones. That's pretty much it for the shoes, other than that one pair that I'm missing, so I'm gonna go try to find it real quick so I can include it in this video. This is the last pair of shoes. These are by Liliana as well, just like the black ones, but these are the holographic color. And y'all be blowing me up on my Snapchat about these shoes every time I post with them, so super cute. These also do come in like a rose gold color that is like a holographic looking one, and really, really cute. These have the little flower on them as well. I also got a really cute little bag to match, which is going to be in another video. I don't know, I don't know how I want to do this, but yeah, this is just going to be shoes in this video. But if y'all want to see about that bag, it'll be in another video. So yeah, these are the shoes. These are a 6.5. The black ones that I have are a 7. They only had a 6.5 in these, you know, that will work for me, and they fit perfectly fine. But usually I like to get like a 7 in shoes like that. So yeah, those are all of the shoes that I have been picking up lately. I'm trying to think if there are any other ones. I don't think so. I've been going crazy on clothes, so I'm gonna do a clothing haul next on just stuff that I've been picking up. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.